Mr. Ghost Sun, beside down
How does the rest go? How does the rest go? Come here. These little children
are asking you. Please come and play with you.
Oh, Mr. Sun.
Sun, Mr. Ghost Sun, beside down me.
Can you blow kisses? Can you do a spin? Can you spin?
Yeah.
Like in dance class? How do you spin in dance class? How does the song go?
That's it, Mr. Ghost, beside down me. Wow. Wow.
Do you love dance class?
Yeah.
Can you wave to me?
Yeah.
Wave to me. Come here. Blow me kisses.